Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear student. In this video, I want to talk about partial test uh, of chapter 1. About this, the first one, sketch the graph of f of x equal to 2x squared minus 4x and f of x equal to 2 square root x plus 1 minus 1. About first, because we have the form of quadratic, يعني f of x equal to a x squared plus bx plus c. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to negative 4. So first you need to find the vertex. You need to find the vertex. So vertex is equal to what? Vertex is equal to negative b over 2a. Negative b over 2a, it means negative b يعني negative 4 over 2a يعني 2 times 2 يعني negative times negative is positive, 2 times 2 is 4 is 1. So you can find the vertex. After that, take two numbers smaller than 2 the vertex and bigger than 2 the vertex يعني 0 minus 1 and 2 3. 0 minus 1 and 2 3. After that these are input the function. Negative 1 by calculator, input the function is equal to 6. 0, 2 times 0, 4 times 0, 0. 1, 2 times 1, 4 times 1, 2 times 1, 2, 4 times 1, 4, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 2, 2 power 2, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 2, 8, 8 minus 8, 0. 3 is equal to 6 by calculator. After that, connect in the coordinate, take the points in the coordinate plane. After that, connect. So easy and very, very important. We have for a general exam 3 times in the exam exist, so be careful about this. By the same way about part B, 2 times in the exam exists, so be careful about this. How can sketch the graph of square root function? First, inside يعني x plus 1 bigger than or equal to 0, and find x يعني after changing this positive 1 to another side, x bigger than or equal to negative 1, and give me two numbers or three numbers or bigger than 2 negative 1. X bigger than or equal to negative 1, x bigger than 2 negative 1 يعني for example 0 يعني 1 2 4 as you like. So 0 1 2 0 1 2. After that, input in the function negative 1 plus 1, negative 1 plus 1 0, square root is 0 0, 0 times 2 0, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 plus 1 1, square root 1 is 1, 1 times 2 2, 2 minus 1 1, for 1 1 plus 1 2, square root of 2 times 2 minus 1 by calculator equal to 1.8, and for 2 2 plus 1 3, by calculator square root 3 times 2 minus 1 equal to 2.4. After that, negative 1 with negative 1 on the first point, 0 1 second point, 1 1.8 third, 2 2.4 third. After that, connect the graph, connect the points. So these are very, very important for exam. Be careful about this. Number two, find the intercepts of the following function. Then tell if the function is symmetric with respect to the y-axis or origin. يعني it is even or odd. For f of x equal to x over absolute value of x plus 1. طبعا 1 times in the exam exist. Now f of x is given, find f minus x and find minus f x and f of x is given. f minus x يعني put minus x in x، يعني minus x divided minus x plus 1. طبعا minus x absolute value of minus x is also equal to absolute value of x plus 1. And note absolute value minus x equal to absolute value x. أما the first one. The second one minus fx يعني minus x over absolute value of x plus 1 equal to minus x. طبعا minus just multiply the numerator and take the denominator. And f of x is given x plus 1. Now f minus x with minus fx are the same answer, so the function is odded. Or you can solve it by fast way. X is odded, absolute value is even, number is even, so odded even plus even is even, odded divided even is odded, so the function is odded function. About intercepts, you have two types of intercept, x intercept and y intercept. For x intercept, y equal to 0, يعني the function is equal to 0. By crossover, just x equal to 0, so you have the points 0 0. For y intercept, x equal to 0, put in here 0 divide the absolute value 0 plus 1, so 0 divided 1 is 0. So 0 0 is the point of x intercept and y intercept. About number 2, طبعا for bracket you need to expand the bracket. How? By first square, 2 times first times second plus second square. So the first one is 3x, 3x square يعني 9x power 2. 2 times 3x 6x times minus 1 minus 6x minus 1 power 2 is 1 plus 6x. Now negative 6x with positive 6x cancel, so it's equal to 9x power 2 plus 1. This one is even and this one is even. Even plus even is also even. So x-intercept and y-intercept. For x-intercept يعني y equal to 0, يعني 9x squared plus 1 is equal to 0. Change negative 1 to another side and divide it by 9, so equal to negative 1 over 9. By taking square root for both, x equal to positive negative square root 1 over minus 1 over 9. Because inside the bracket, inside the square root is minus, so it's undefined, so has no point of x-intercept. For y-intercept, x equal to 0, يعني 9 0 square plus 1. 9 times 0 is 9, 9 plus 0 plus 9 times 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So 0, 1 is the point of y-intercept. This examples for you. Which of the following function is symmetric with respect to y-axis? يعني which one is even? Exists in the exam 2021 to 2022. And we have some notes about trigonometry functions. طبعا sine و tan is even, is odded, sorry, are odded. Sine minus x equal to negative sine x, tan negative x equal to negative tan x, cosine minus x equal to positive cosine x. Sine طبعا these are for you. طبعا even odded power even is also odded. Odded power even is even, odded power odded is odded, even power even power odd is even. And you have another way for finding the symmetry with respect to the y-axis or the origin by this note. For example, you have this function. Take two numbers a and minus a. What? a and minus a. Put in f. For example, 1 and minus 1. Put in f. 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 over 1. For minus 1 is negative 1 plus 1 plus negative 1 minus 1 over x. x يعني negative 1. 1 minus 1 0. 1 plus 1 2. Absolute value of 2 is 2. 2 times 2 divided 1 is 2. Minus 1 was plus 1 0. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2. Absolute value of minus 2 is 2. 2 divided minus 1 is minus 2. So the answer is equal to b and minus b. So the function is ordered function. By this note, if after putting a and minus a in the function we have same answer b by positive or by negative, يعني same answer, then the function is ordered. If after putting a and minus a in the function we get b and minus b, يعني same answer by different sign, then the function is ordered. If after putting a and minus b in the function we have two different we get two different answer b and c, then the function is not symmetric. Number 3, for this function show that f is ordered and g is even. طبعا f is ordered because you have x power 3 and 3x both are even, are ordered. Ordered plus ordered is ordered. And for g, even plus even is even. So part B, find the points of intersection. Points of intersection for this function. First, f of x equal to g of x, يعني x power 3 plus 3x equal to x power 2 plus 3. Because you have the different degree, so must be the right side equal to 0. So change these are to another side. So you get x power 3 minus x power 2 plus 3x minus 3. X power 3 minus x power 2 plus 3x minus 3 equal to 0. Now for this r, factor by x equal to x power 2 minus factory x power 2, sorry. So you get what's remain, x and minus 1 is remain, r remain, sorry. And for this one, number 3 factor can we get x minus 1 equal to 0. Now for both x minus 1 and x minus 1 be same, so x minus 1 factor again, we get x power 2 plus 3 equal to 0. By 0 property, if you have two brackets equal to 0, the multiplication of two brackets equal to 0, then the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So x equal to 1 for the first, and for this one x power 2 equal to minus 3 after taking square root for both. So x equal to positive and negative square root negative 3. Square root negative 3 is undefined, so just we have x equal to 1. After that, put in f or g as you like. Put in g, for example. Put in g of x, so you get 1 power 2 plus 3. G of 1 is equal to 1 power 2 plus 3, so it's equal to 4. So 1 of 4 is the point of intersection. So the point of intersection. Number 4, find the equation of the line that passes through the point 2 minus 1 and slope is equal to negative 2. طبعا very easy for you. Slope is given and point is given. Equation of a line يعني y minus 1 equal to x mx minus x1. Find the equation of the line that passes through the points 0 1 and 1 over 5 و 0. طبعا you can find the equation of a line by some ways. First, you can find the slope. After that, use y minus y1 equal to mx minus 1. You get y equal to minus 5x plus 1. So easy. Number 6, find the intersection of the functions number 4 and number 5. Find the intersection. يعني we have two function for number 4 we get y equal to negative 2x plus 3, and for number 5 you get y equal to negative 5x plus 1. Number 6, find the point of intersection of the lines in the exercise 4 and exercise 5. For exercise 4 we get y equal to negative 2x plus 3 answers. And for answer of question 5, y equal to negative 5x plus 1. For finding the intersection, يعني must be f of x equal to g of x, y equal to y. This function equal to this function, because you have the same degree, so variable with variable, number with number. So change negative 5 to another negative 5x to this side, and 3 to this side. So you get plus 5x and negative 3. Plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 3x, 1 minus 3 is equal to negative 2. Both sides is divided by 3, x equal to negative 2 over 3. Put in y equal to this or this, as you like. You get by calculator equal to 13 over 3. طبعا negative 2 x is equal to negative 2 over 3 plus 3. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4, divided 3 plus 3. By common factor, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3, 9, 1 times 4, 4, 4 plus 9 is 13. So x and y is the point of intersection. About number 6, we get the choices for number 6. Very very important. يعني choice is the mix of example 4, 5 and 6, and very important for the exam. جماعة, about number 7, the equation of a line passing through the points 0b and 2, 0, where b is not equal to 0. What the value of v makes the lines perpendicular to the line x minus 2y plus 1. طبعا now we find the b مالك. طبعا first find the slope of these points, 0 minus b by y2 minus y1. It's got a first slope, 0 minus b, and 2 minus 0. 0 minus b is minus b, 2 minus 0 is 2. So for finding the equation of a line y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1, for this point, y minus x1, y1, y minus y1 يعني y minus 0, m minus b over 2, x minus x1 يعني x minus 2. So y minus 0 is y, negative v over 2 times x, negative v over 2 x, minus times minus is plus, b times 2, 2b over 2. 2 cancel, so it's equal to b. And slope for this line, x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 is general form, is equal to negative a over b, يعني negative 1 over minus 2 is equal to 1 over 2. So for finding b, because it is perpendicular, يعني m1 times m2 is equal to negative 1. I'm really perpendicular. m1 is negative b over 2, m2 is 1 over 2 is equal to negative 1. 2 times 2 is 4, negative b times 1 is negative v is equal to negative 1. By crossover, negative v is equal to negative 4, so b is equal to 4. b is equal to 4, and is the value of b. We have 11 times in the exam exist. This example in the exam 11 times exist. The last example, number 8, find the a so that the points are collinear. Now for collinear must be m1 for these points is equal to m2 for this point. So m1, 0 minus minus 3, 2 minus 0 is equal to 3 over 2. m2, minus 3 minus 1, 0 minus a equal to negative 4 over minus a. So m2 is equal to negative ونيجاتيف cancel 4 over a. Now for collinear must be m1 equal to m2. يعني 4 over a is equal to 3 over 2. So by crossover 3a equal to 8, so a is equal to 8 over 3, and inshallah you are successful. Thank you so much.